have all hit that point of friction. You sit down to draft an email or analyze a brief, and before you can even ask the AI to do the work, you spend 3 minutes pasting in the exact same background information, company tone, and formatting preferences you used yesterday. Then you give it a prompt, and despite that massive upfront time investment, the AI still skips step 3 of your instructions, hallucinates a new formatting style, and drops a crucial piece of context. You start with writing a simple prompt, experience the frustration of amnesia, overcompensate by spending 5 hours uploading instructions, and the path ends abruptly right here, in a stark red box, a false expectation of control. The issue is that we are expecting these tools to operate with strict execution control, and they are built to do something completely different. They are not rigid, rule-based code execution environments. To actually make these tools work for you, we have to separate the concept of persistent context from reliability control. Recognizing that distinction is the only way you can stop wasting hours building massive, complex workspaces that are designed to fail from the start. From the most complex corporate workspace to the simplest custom assistant, the entire market suffers from the same limitation in output reliability. To understand the value of your setup time, look at this scorecard. Guarantee exact reasoning steps? No. You can write the most massive, detailed rulebook possible, but an identity system cannot unilaterally solve a reliability problem. Once you accept what is actually on that scorecard, you have to completely reevaluate where you are spending your setup time. When you spend time loading your basic company background and core preferences into the tool, you are operating in this upper left quadrant. But when you spend hours trying to force the tool to perfectly execute a rigid 10-step process, you drop into this lower right quadrant. The return on your time is almost zero. The harder you try to force strict automation out of a simple workspace feature, the lower the actual value of your setup time becomes. The final rule of thumb is this: utilize your project files exclusively to define who the tool is and what it knows. You still have to actively guide how the tool thinks, step by step, during every single query you run. The workspace handles the background, you handle the driving. Letting go of the false expectation of control isn't a defeat. It is the only practical way to harness these memory systems for the exact job they were built to do.